Okay, so now we're going to drain the carburetor. So you need to turn, at the moment it's facing to on, that's off, and that's reserve. So when your tank is full, you have it on the on position, then you'll be riding along and you'll feel it conking out, and you'll just gently lean down and put it to reserve and get to a petrol station. In this case, we're going to drain the Carbie, so it was on. So we're just going to flick it to off. Guys, there's a screw on the back here, so what we're going to do is we're just going to put it on there and then just unscrew it. There you go, down here. We're just going to drain that Carbie out. This is a good thing to do, is just to smell the fuel. I just put it on the screwdriver and smell it. So that's just draining the bowl out. That'll stop in a minute. And that way you can sort of get a gauge on how your fuel is and stuff like that. So we'll do the filter as well, because we're just going to have we're doing a service, so we just want the bike to talk to us. So we'll just, that's a 17mm I just used. And a screwdriver on the other side to train it. And I don't know if you can see that. But there's a little bit of rust in there from the tank getting through. There's no water, which is good. Water will sit there in a bubble. So there's no water, which is good. Because as we all know, water doesn't compress. So you don't want that getting into your motor. So just a little bit of rubbish there. So we'll just clean that out. You can use a compressor or a rag, just wipe it out. So that's nice and clean now. And what we'll do is we'll just check the filter as well. Just be careful, guys, because there is an O-ring in there as well. Not that one, there is an actual O-ring up inside here. It's still up there, I can feel it. Just check the filter. The filter's nice and clean and clear. So what you can do is you can just put that filter back in there. Just run that for a second or two. Remember, I've got the oil tray underneath, so it's catching everything. Just run that for a sec. Then we can just pop that back on, like so. 17mm again. Just tighten it back up. So I'm happy with it in there. It looks good. Just a little bit of rust, but we've got that out of there. Cool. That's the Carbie for now.